Hey guys, and welcome to another snack review. Just for you. You over there. Not for you. Shut up. Okay, today doing some Japanese candy or snacks, whatever you want to call them. I want to start with Pocky. And the reason I think Pocky you can get all over the world, but I think it originated in Japan. And these are from Japan. And you can tell they're from Japan because they're in Japanese. Some of it. So what I'm going to try today is your normal, I think this is milk chocolate. And this one is milk. I don't know, it's like a weird Japanese thing. You can tell it's Japanese because look, it's in Japanese. Everything's in Japanese. But on that side, it's English. Pocky. Okay, so let's go with the original first to try. These come all the way from Thailand, if you can believe it, not Japan, but they are Japanese. How the frickin'... Okay. I've got you. Going into this darn thing. Okay, nice little foil packet. They come all the way from Thailand, so, I mean, if they're beat up inside, they're beat up inside. You just never know these things. And they're making it almost impossible for you to get into it easily. Here we go. Trying to do my best not to break the biscuit sticks. Here we go. Oh, for goodness sake. Oh, they're stuck together. Oh, that's why. This looks like dark chocolate to me. Okay, let's try and... Oh, it's all gone wrong. Okay, here we go. So, you have like a biscuit sort of thing here. It goes all the way along, and then you have it covered in chocolate. So, here we go. That's really nice. Nice crunchy biscuit. And then this nice kind of chocolate. I don't think there's dark chocolate. I mean, it looks quite dark on there. But no, I do like them. I think these are the original. This is chocolate flavour. That's all it says. Okay, milk, which is the one I'm really interested about. Okay, open. And then. Oh, excuse me. Oh, it's winter. Bad cough and all the rest. Can't blame winter for everything. Oh dear. These ones are stuck together as well. Look at that. Goodness me. One at a time, please. One at a bloody time. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, right. Bang. The milk flavoured Pocky. Okay. Wow, they're really nice. These are fantastic. These milk ones. They're like, you ever had a Kinder Egg? They taste like a Kinder Egg. This bit does. That's really nice. Out of the two of them, the milk one is definitely better than the chocolate one. Tastes like a Kinder Egg. Really, really nice. I would definitely get them again. Not paying for them to come from Thailand, obviously. But yeah, they were really nice. Get my hood off, actually. Anyway, milk ones better than the chocolate ones. Both really good though. I would probably eat both of them again, definitely, as a snack. But thanks guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I do videos every Wednesday, every Sunday. Do me a favour and share this video, like this video, give it out on your Facebook and your Twitter. I would much appreciate that. And anyways, thanks for watching.